that's non-British. It's not about being just Indian, it's about being chosen from all around the world. So congratulations, Akshay. I would like to add that hair is, trust me, the most stressful part of even my job. Homeopathy is something I have actually been taking for since I was 10 years old, because my mother truly believed that it treats from the core, to superficially take care of your symptoms, and to have a book that embodies that and gives you everything you need to know. I think I've already read a bit, by the way. It's actually quite good. So I'm really happy to be here, and congratulations once again.
Way back in medical college, I was the youngest ever general secretary to be elected part of the student council. And at that time I was actually wondering whether I should take up politics or medicine. If I had taken up politics, I would have been chained, but in a different way. Rather than being sworn in, I would have been sworn at. So I'm glad I made the right choice. As a third generation homeopath in an organization that's super specialized in hair and skin, my second career choice was not difficult at all.
Well, first of all, most importantly, Dr. Akshay Batra has launched a book telling us how we can have the most gorgeous hair and not lose it. Why wouldn't I be here? You tell me. I think all of us have extreme worries that at some point or the other we'll start losing hair. And I've read the book and I can tell you that I've already got a lot of tips how to make sure that that doesn't happen to me. So I'm pretty happy to be here. Homeopathy is something I've taken since I was a child. And in his book, he does stress that it's a lot of our stresses of the day-to-day stuff we go through. So one thing is that if you start that today, it'll really help you in the future. I think secondly, what his book also says that the hair can tell you a lot about your issues that you're having symptomatically in the body. So hair can actually, I think, preempt. It can actually tell you what is going wrong with the rest of your system. Thirdly, I mean, hair loss can be controlled if you stop it at the right moment. So I think that the book can really educate you if you try to give it a shot. Don't wait for it to happen and then cry about it.